Guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video, and today we'll see what from all my 3 Rubik's Cubes are the best. So I have the Tornado V3, which is my newest Rubik's Cube, which I like a ton, and here's the 356M GAN. I also like this Rubik's Cube, and here is my oldest Rubik's Speed Cube. And it's the GAN 356i Carry. It is a smart Rubik's Cube. And I am using the box as a little phone stand for it, so that you guys can see this video, since it's made hard and with hard plastic. Not hard plastic, but just like some hard material. And today we'll see which one's better. So with looking, I feel like the GAN 356M looks the best, but it also is smaller, so harder to turn. Here, I find Tornado V3 the best at turning, and this one I find the best at just competitive, since like you can play competitively on your phone. So let's start going through it. So I'm gonna be using the GAN 356i Carry first, then 356M, and then Tornado V3. So let's open this case, and I'm gonna mix it. I'm looking away currently. I get a ton of lockups on this. So this is my scramble. Looks pretty good. So 3, 2, 1, solve. One thing I don't like is that the top magnets on the yellow side has a very clicky type noise. It wasn't me, I promise. I did not make that clicky noise happen. But yeah, that's just one thing I don't like. So 33 seconds, 0.102. We have to remember those points so we know how fast I was. So 33 seconds, 0.102. Currently, this is the best cube. Currently, though. Only currently. Since it was also the first cube. So now, my second newest cube. GAN 356M. Has a nice feel. Isn't lubed. None of my cubes are lubed. But yeah, it's okay. So let's try it. I'm gonna again scramble while looking away. I'm gonna give it always a longer scramble the longer the cube, since I'm more warmed up at that time. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm already noticing I'm not locking up as much. And, well, I made an accidental move, which is in cubing very, very bad. So, I'm already slower with this cube than my other cube, but I find it kind of unfair since that was just my mistake, not the cube. Nothing with the cube. You know what, let's leave it. It was the cube's fault the magnets slipped in my hand. So yeah, currently this is the worst, and currently this one's the best. So let's clean this guy up. And now my newest cube, the Tornado V3. I put it in flagship version, since all the other versions are pretty bad. I find standard good, just maglev not so good, since look, I can do a whole 360 turn with flagship. Oops, that hit my thumb, whatever. But I can do a whole 360 turn with already this, so I probably shouldn't buy the other version. 3, 2, 1, go. No, that was my mistake. Oh, no. I thought I was done with the cross. Oh, well. This might be my worst cube now because of that. Oh, no. I keep making mistakes. I keep forgetting my algorithms. Why do I keep forgetting my algs? What's wrong with me today? Forgetting my algs. I'm going to give the Tornado V3 another chance, since I forgot my algorithm for that one thing and I basically broke the whole pair up. Okay, so let's take this one. This one looks pretty good. I only have these 2 crosses, but I can make an X cross if I insert this part inside here, which will turn into an automatic X cross. Basically, if I can execute it correctly. 3, 2, 1, go. "25 seconds, nice." So now I can put the ranking. And I did this, I did Tornado V3. It was very nice. I'm very sorry for the Tornado V3 retry, since it was my mistake that time, since I forgot my algorithm and then I broke the pair up and then I forgot cross and stuff. So it was mostly my fault, so I had to give it a retry. But Tornado V3 won with an astounding 8-second difference from the 356M. And I carry 356 I carry, and the 356M here lost, unfortunately. The magnet, when I was touching it in home grip, I'll show you it again, what happened. I had it in home grip, and I was about to do, like, I think a 3-mover, that. I was about to do a 3-mover, but it slipped down there, you see that? That happened, and then I basically just did this. Which in cubing you don't really want. But they're all pretty good cubes. If I would have to recommend one, I definitely recommend the Tornado V3, since it's only a bit more than this Gaon. And it's one of the best cubes of 2023. So yeah. See ya. Peace out.